Welcome y'all, Raw Ink Shop. Today's educational video, we're going to be talking about how to build streams of income, y'all. How to build streams of income. Passive income, that's that, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are new to this channel, we talk about entrepreneur. I'm actually a CEO of a business owner of a fashion brand called Raw Ink Shop. So I'm going to be sharing my skillful way of what I've learned of building streams of income and how you can build streams of income and what I use to actually quit my 9-to-5 job. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is passive income, y'all. Passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is something that you can start right now, because right now is the perfect time, right? But passive income is really something that, you know, you're making money while you sleep, but you got to put in the upfront money. Like, you got to put in the time for the machine to build. So for example, a good one way I use passive income is music. Okay, so music was my first journey of passive income, y'all. So music is my number one way of what I use to make passive income. So you basically do the work one time and then it streams for you know, years and years to come. So I got songs, I got about 100 songs, and you know what I'm saying, these songs still pay me money, passive income, you know, through, you know, streams and stuff like that. So you do the work one time and you get paid constantly. So what's another way to make passive income? If you're not a musician, well, you can start a YouTube channel, y'all. So YouTube right here is my second way that I make passive income, right? Now YouTube, I started off this channel with Raw TV. I was just playing with it. I was just having fun and just uploading content, you know, taking a risk and just go ahead. I brought a camera and I just started, you know, the YouTube channel. So, you know, as moving forward, I've been doing YouTube for about, I started 2020, so it's going on 3 years, and I just got monetized just in the beginning of this year. So I finally started getting paid from YouTube ad revenue. So, you know what I'm saying, YouTube now pays me to make content now. So now that's considered passive income. Now the trick is, from YouTube, it did take me 2 years to get paid. So you gotta be mindful and say it does take time. What I said before, you're gonna need time to put in at first. So when you're starting off a business, you're gonna spend a lot of time before it actually takes off. It's not gonna just take off right away, you know what I'm saying? So if you're thinking about quitting your job just now, just hold that thought. Make sure you put some time into your business first before you decide to just go phew, and just, you know, just get out of there or whatever. So put in the time and put in the effort, and then the YouTube, you're gonna need the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hour watch time. I said this in a lot of videos, but I'm pretty sure if you guys are new, they don't know about it, you're gonna need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Okay, so what else you can do right here? Well, you can write ebooks, y'all. So ebooks is another passive income stream. Okay, we're talking about how to build streams of income. You want to have multiple streams of income. See, this job that you are at currently is your only source of income. That's the problem with today's world. You need more money because everything's high. The inflation is high. So you need more assets. You need to build more income, y'all. So, you know, if you guys are in here, pay real close attention to what I'm saying. You need to have more streams, y'all. You can't just do it off one, and you can't work 2 jobs because you're going to burn yourself out. So take the time, get this knowledge, and apply it, y'all. So start using your skills. Find something you're really passionate about, y'all. That's another thing. If you guys are cooking, if you guys know how to read or write, you know what I'm saying, you can write a book, you can write an ebook. If you're an athlete, I play a lot of basketball. You see I have a lot of basketball content. You can play basketball. If you're a fashion brand owner like myself, I also run a fashion brand, and that's where we're going to go to number 4. That's my number 4 is clothing brand. In other words, if you don't start a clothing brand, we could just put e-commerce. So if it's not a clothing brand, it could be a jewelry brand, whatever e-com business. Whether it doesn't have to be clothing, y'all, because I know clothing is oversaturated and stuff like that. So you're probably like, "Oh, do I really want to start?" Because it is a big, you know, oversaturated market. But you can start an e-commerce brand, and which that means is basically something like drop shipping. You could drop ship products, and you can make sales online. You build a store, you get a Shopify. You know what I'm saying? I think they have like a free $1 for like 2 weeks, get you a website, boom, you got yourself an e-commerce store. So that's number 4. Another way is, of course, once you start seeing one of these things, hopefully you're at 4, you at 4 right now. One of these things has to pop, you know what I mean? After that, you know what I'm saying, you definitely can invest in real estate if one of these things has popped by then, right? And we all know real estate is the biggest way to make this is a bigger game, y'all. So if you guys don't have a lot of capital, you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean, it's going to take some time to get some real estate. But real estate is perfect way for passive income. You got to look that rent is so high, y'all. Like, rent is super high. But if you own an asset, you could have a tenant there and you can make monthly income, and you can make it big, you know what I'm saying, with single families, multi-families, stuff like that. But if that's too big, you can there's still other option, y'all. So 6 is affiliate marketing, y'all. And affiliate marketing is when you started a YouTube channel. If you look at number 2, you will know once you get your YouTube balling going away, you know, you can start advertising other brands as an affiliate, like Amazon, or, you know, like big brands like Walmart. You know what I'm saying? You can have the links and you can make good passive incomes just by people just clicking your links. Come on, guys, like this is good money, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You making money, you making passive income, and that's gonna save you from the stress of your one job that's every so many rules and everything. You gotta be here on time. Well, once you start this passive income journey, and it's gonna be it's gonna be, you know, financially free. Ain't that the goal? Is that everybody be financially free? And, you know, that's why I want to see you guys be financially free and moving forward ahead. So if you guys like this video, and you guys make sure y'all drop comments if you guys got businesses, if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I got y'all on more videos. But this is how to build streams of income, y'all. So stay tuned for, you know, more videos like this, and I'll catch y'all on my next one, y'all. Peace.